As economic cooperation has expanded, having an effective mechanism to resolve disputes arising between member countries has become an essential need. Therefore, since 1996, ASEAN has started drafting a protocol on dispute settlement mechanism, and this protocol was signed by ASEAN economic ministers on November 20, 1996 in Manila in Philippines. The dispute settlement mechanism of ASEAN is built on the spirit of negotiation and mediation. At any time, member states which are parties to the dispute have the right to choose forms of mediation. These forms may begin or end at any time. Only when the procedure for mediation has ended, the complainant proceeded to bring the matter to the senior economic officials meeting of ASEAN. While the dispute is in progress, if the parties to the dispute agree, mediation procedures will continue to apply. If the consultation does not resolve the dispute within 60 days of the receipt of the request, the matter will be referred to Senior Economic Officials Meeting of ASEAN. Senior Economic Officials Meeting of ASEAN will set up a panel or, if possible, refer the matter to the Special Rules and Procedures Team or Additional for review. However, in specific cases, if deemed necessary, Senior Economic Officials Meeting of ASEAN may decide to resolve the dispute amicably without having to appoint a panel. Senior Economic Officials Meeting of ASEAN will review the panel report during its discussion and give a decision to the dispute within 30 days from the date the panel submitted the report. In exceptional cases, Senior Economic Officials Meeting of ASEAN may have an additional 10 days in adjudicating a dispute. Senior Economic Officials Meeting of ASEAN representatives of member states who are parties to the dispute may be present during the discussion, but may not participate in judgments of Senior Economic Officials Meeting of ASEAN. Senior Economic Officials Meeting of ASEAN will adjudge on a majority basis. Member states that are parties to the dispute may appeal the judgments of SEOM to the ASEAN economic ministers within 30 days. ASEAN economic ministers must make a decision within 30 days of the appeal. In exceptional cases, ASEAN economic ministers may have an additional 10 days to make a decision on dispute resolution.